Hello children, today we are going to learn about highest common factor. But first, let us learn what are common factors. Factors that are common to two or more numbers are called the common factors of those numbers. For example, consider the numbers 30 and 48. In order to find the factors of 30, you will write the pairs of numbers that give 30 as their product. And they are 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10 and 5 into 6. Hence, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. In order to find the factors of 48, you will write the pairs of numbers that give 48 as their product. And they are 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 into 12 and 6 into 8. Hence, the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. You have already learnt that factors of a number are represented with the capital letter F. So we can write the factors of 30 as F30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. And the factors of 48, that is F48, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now you can see that the common factors of 30 and 48 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Out of these four common factors of 30 and 48, 6 is the greatest. Hence, we can say that 6 is the greatest common factor of 30 and 48. Or 6 is the highest common factor of 30 and 48. So what do you mean by highest common factor? The greatest factor that is common to two or more numbers is called the highest common factor of the given numbers. The highest common factor or the HCF is also known as the greatest common factor, that is GCF, or the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. Now, let us find the HCF of 36 and 54. The factors of 36 or F36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And the factors of 54 or F54 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. The common factors of 36 and 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Out of these common factors, 18 is the greatest. Hence, the HCF of 36 and 54 is 18. This method of listing all the factors of the given numbers, then circling all the common factors, and thereafter identifying the greatest common factor, that is the HCF, from the common factors is called the listing method. But this is not the only method used to find the HCF. The HCF of two or more numbers can be found out using the listing method or the common division method. To find the HCF using common division method, we divide the given numbers together by their common factors, starting with the smallest common factor, and then we multiply these common factors to get the highest common factor or the HCF of the given numbers. Let's do an example. Find the HCF of 48 and 90. To use the common division method, we will divide 48 and 90 by the common factors beginning with the smallest factor. Divide 48 and 90 by, since both 48 and 90 are even numbers, the common factor is 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24 and 90 divided by 2 is 45. Since 45 is an odd number, 2 is not a common factor of 24 and 45. The next common factor will be 3. Divide 24 by 3 equal to 8 and 45 divided by 3 is equal to 15. 8 and 15 do not have any common factors, so we cannot divide further. The common factors of 48 and 92 are 2 and 3. The highest common factor will be the product of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. Before we end, let us solve an example each using listing method and common division method. First example, find the HCF of 24, 52 and 68 using listing method. We'll write the factors of all the three numbers. F24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. F52 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 13, 26 and 52. F68 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. The common factors of all the three numbers are 1, 2 and 4, out of which 4 is the greatest. The HCF of 24, 52 and 68 is 4. Now, let us find the HCF of 14, 56 and 98 using common division method. Start dividing 14, 56 and 98 by the common factors. Since all three numbers are even, 2 is a common factor. 14 divided by 2 is 7, 56 divided by 2 is 28 and 98 divided by 2 is 49. Next, divide 7, 28 and 49. The smallest common factor of these three numbers is 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. And 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. 1, 4 and 7 do not have any common factors, so we cannot divide further. The common factors of 14, 56 and 98 are 2 and 7. The HCF of these three numbers will be the product of 2 and 7, which is equal to 14.